Maybe he doesn't want to open it.
Yeah, he doesn't know how. You might have to help him. But what's in yours?
No, there's a sticker sticking on my stair.
Yeah, it told us who it was for. Do you see your name on it? On the sticker?
Yeah. Yeah. This side is kind of sticky. See, there's a name.
Mac, do you want to open your present like B?
No, I don't. He doesn't. Oh, it is a box. See?
Yeah. What's on it?
It has some name.
Cool.
Mac has a book too.
He does. What's on his book?
Mac, you have a book. See books. No.
What do you say?
Say thank you. Thank you to me. And me.
What do you say to Grandma Jean for the books?
She got it for me.
She did.
Thank you, Grandma Jean. I didn't say thank you when I was there.
You did.